Have you ever wondered how your digital camera instantly snaps a subject into sharp focus? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of digital camera autofocus. Autofocus, or AF, is one of the most critical features in modern photography. It's the technology that ensures your subjects are crisp and clear. Simply put, autofocus is the camera's ability to automatically adjust the lens to achieve a sharp focus on a specific point or subject. Without accurate autofocus, even the most expensive camera and lens combination will produce blurry, unusable images. It's essential for capturing fleeting moments with precision. There are two primary methods digital cameras use for autofocus: contrast detection and phase detection. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses. First up is contrast detection autofocus, or CDAF. This system relies solely on the image sensor itself to achieve focus. The second method is phase detection autofocus, or PDAF. Historically, this used dedicated sensors, but now often incorporates on-sensor pixels. Contrast detection works by analyzing the contrast between pixels. A sharp image has high contrast, while a blurry image has low contrast. The camera measures the contrast right on the image sensor. It moves the lens until it detects the highest contrast level, indicating the sharpest focus. This process involves a bit of hunting, where the lens moves past the point of focus and then returns to the position of maximum contrast. This is why CDAF can sometimes be slower. The main advantage of CDAF is its exceptional accuracy, especially with static subjects. The downside is that hunting behavior can make it slower, especially in low light or with moving subjects. Phase detection autofocus works fundamentally differently. Instead of looking for contrast, it uses geometry to calculate the exact distance needed to achieve focus. In modern mirrorless cameras, PDAF uses dedicated pixels built directly onto the main image sensor, eliminating the need for a separate sensor array. The PDAF system splits the incoming light into two images and then measures the phase difference between them. This difference tells the camera precisely how far and in what direction the lens needs to move for sharp focus. The key advantage of PDAF is its remarkable speed and ability to track moving subjects. However, integrating the technology can sometimes add complexity to the camera design. To maximize performance, many modern cameras use a hybrid autofocus system, which leverages the strengths of both methods. Hybrid AF uses the speed of phase detection to quickly get close to the focus point, and then switches to the high accuracy of contrast detection to fine-tune the final focus. Understanding these mechanisms is key to choosing the right camera and maximizing your results, especially in challenging shooting conditions. In summary, contrast detection prioritizes accuracy by finding maximum contrast, while phase detection prioritizes speed by calculating the necessary focus movement. Regardless of the system, the goal is always the same: to deliver perfectly sharp, high-quality images and videos every time. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into photography and video technology.